Let's explain this with an example. Alice needs someone to build a website, so she hires Thomas. Normally, in the traditional financial system, Thomas would have to be on a payroll and give Alice his financial details. When he's paid, it will take upwards between 2 to 3 days, it could be a couple weeks for him to get his first paycheck. Instead, with Bitcoin, Alice can send Bitcoin directly to Thomas as soon as the work is done. There is no intermediary or bank in the way of the transaction. Thomas is happy because he gets his Bitcoin almost instantaneously, and Alice is happy because she gets a website.